Me, I no forget. My people no feel forget. Now for your era, people they die pass. Now for your era, petrol price high pass. Now for your era, school down to scam. Now for your era, insecurity high pass. Now for your era, people they cry pass. Now for your era, hungry they beat us pass. Now for your era, mama they body picking. Die, I see why you promise us safety. You promise us good life. You promise us good road. You promise us heaven on earth. But right now, we no fit sleep again. Children no fit go school again. Bandit they kidnap children. We go school every day. Kidnappers no they cover their face again. Papa and mama no fear for school fees again. Farmers no fit go farm again. Workers no fit go work again. Mama they body picking they bury. Mama they no even see papa head again. I go put them to your face. I don't care if me and you go get case. Cause this matter won't make me crazy. Jagaban, you be failure. Everything about your era and a failure. In our next generation, we rather not have a president than to have a failure. You fail me, my family. You fail my people, you fail all my generation. To fear kwa, we pour spit for your face. Nigeria don't turn to zoo. Because of you.